What is your message to budding young urologists?
सर अरे यार कैसे सरवाइव करें इट्स अ वाइड ओशन ऑफ पीपल हु नीड्स हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स यू गिव गुड टू द सोसाइटी एंड सोसाइटी इज गोइंग टू गिव गुड टू यू
You only have control on your action.
बट दैट डजंट डिक्रीज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बीइंग अ डॉक्टर
Name and fame will follow.
फ्यूचर इज वेरी ब्राइट फॉर डॉक्टर प्रायोरिटी हेल्थ रहने वाली है और इटर्निटी तक रहेगी
या तो फिर भी जाऊंगा डॉक्टर के पास कि भाई वो ह्यूमन टच इंपॉर्टेंट है.
इफ यू थिंक ऑफ मनी and then become a doctor, you will never succeed.
So in today's episode, we are having Dr. Keval Patel. He is a urologist and he is a dynamic person. He is into uro-oncology. He has done his MBBS from BGMC and post-graduation from BGMC. And after that, he has done DNB in urology. And he is a multi-talented person. He also plays cricket and spends his time in spirituality. Now currently, he is having a private hospital.
And you forgot sir आपका junior है.
Yeah, he is my immediate junior in MS. And he has written more than 45 articles in peer-reviewed journals. He is editorial board of many journals and he has a bent for research. Also, he is having a fellowship from Miami, USA, and he is practicing right now. He is a very successful practitioner. And thank you, Keval, for coming.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for calling me here, and I am obliged. First of all, I'll not forget. He is my senior. He is the one who has taught me everything, whatever I am. Just the seeds of those have been sown by Dr. Pranav Sharma, and so I fondly call him as Pranav bhai. And thank you. I also thank Monga sir for calling me here, for calling me to share my views on what I feel about my practice and discussing some key urology issues. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Welcome to this podcast episode. And I feel कि we will talking about ऐसे issues के बारे में जो normally पब्लिक को या लोगों को ज़रूरत होती है और सही नॉलेज नहीं मिलती है. तो हम जाते हैं एक डॉक्टर्स के डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द हॉर्सेस माउथ वी गेट द बेस्ट ऑफ द नॉलेज अबाउट यूरोलॉजीज एंड अदर थिंग्स विच विल डिस्कस टुडे. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इन दिस सेशन.
So first I'll start that you give your background, what is your family, home like, and how did you get into MBBS?
Okay. So well, I am also none other than very like majority of what Indian kids, that's a middle class. I come from a middle class background.
Correct.
My father was an accountant, and so right from like childhood, my grandparents and my father had a inclination towards medicine.
Medicine,
and that even sometimes when I was in studying, I also had some interest in biology.
Yeah.
And that led me to take up medicine as my career.
Okay.
तो फिर सर यूरोलॉजिस्ट कैसे आपने सेलेक्ट किया कि बाय डिफॉल्ट डेस्टिनी ने दे दिया?
नहीं, सो इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. बट क्या रहता है कि यूरोलॉजी MBBS के बाद आपके पास बेसिकली दो चॉइस रहती है. ठीक है, आइदर यू बिकम अ सर्जन और MD.
Okay.
So that dependent on my insights and my what I'm good at. I'm good at performing things. So there are certain set of people who are good at performing things. There are certain set of people who are good at reading or analyzing things
Understanding.
and prescribing. So I was good at doing things. So my right from in my MBBS days, my surgical skills were slightly refined, and so I thought that I would take up surgery.
Surgery लेंगे.
When I was in surgery, that's an interesting thing. मैं जब surgery में था, तो यूरोलॉजी मैंने कैसे लिया, तो इसके दो तीन कारण हैं. सबसे पहला, आई ऑलवेज फेल दैट यूरोलॉजी इज़ अ बिनाइन ब्रांच. आई मीन इसमें पेशेंट की ट्रीटमेंट कम होती है और पेशेंट को जो जैसे सपोज के पेशेंट को बहुत पेन में आ रहा है, यूरोलॉजिकल स्टोन पेन है, आपने उसकी सर्जरी किया एंड ही विल बी रिलीव्ड लाइक एनीथिंग. देयर इज नो अदर ब्रांच जिसमें इतना फास्ट रिजल्ट मिलता है. नंबर वन, एंड पेशेंट सेटिस्फेक्शन रेशियो इज़ वेरी हाई.
ओके.
सेकेंड थिंग, यूरोलॉजी में यू ऑलवेज गेट सेकेंड चांस. जैसे आप कुछ कर रहे हो और नहीं कर पा रहे हो, there are situations when you are unable to perform the surgery, then you get second chance, you put a DJ, come back, but ultimately patient's cure will happen, and that is the aim.
Okay.
Likely very personal, but I didn't want emergency. Urology में कम emergency आती है, and that was the reason I took urology as my subspecialty.
Very nice, great.
Why urology is the most sought after branch nowadays?
So that one of like very few reasons I have told you, because it gives good patient doctor satisfaction. That is it. Again, the amount of time you need to spend in OR is less as compared to other branches. It can also be practiced at smaller setups, so you don't need big investments.
Big investments नहीं होता.
For starting the setup. I mean, ultimately, if you grow in this branch, then sky is the limit.
Right.
But initially, it gives you less amount of fortune to start as your practice.
Correct.
It can be practiced at multiple smaller setups. You don't need a corporate backup
Correct.
when you are becoming a urologist. So these are the reason I think it is most sort of branch nowadays among youngsters.
सो सर इससे एक क्वेश्चन ये आया, अगर जो डॉक्टर्स यंग डॉक्टर्स वॉच कर रहे होंगे एपिसोड को, कि व्हेन दे आर चूजिंग अ ब्रांच, वन इज़ देयर लाइकिंग, सम पीपल आल्सो थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इज़ द पोटेंशियल इन द फ्यूचर. तो यूरोलॉजिस्ट का आज के टाइम पे आप क्या लगता है, नेक्स्ट 20-15 ईयर्स और 10 ईयर्स, 15 ईयर, 25 ईयर्स, क्या कितना मतलब व्हाट इज़ द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस ब्रांच ग्रोइंग फॉरवर्ड?
Okay, so see, whenever we talk about potential of this branch, we have, I'm not the right one, you are the right one to think about the management things. But if we see who are the stakeholders, who will be beneficial by being a urologist, so there will be, ultimately we think about patients. So when we see, will or is the number of patients of urology going to increase in the next few years, and
तो
then
टारगेट मार्केट बोल रहे हो कि अगर वो बड़ा होता है,
बढ़ रहा है तो डिमांड बढ़ने वाला है.
डिमांड बढ़ने वाला है.
Exactly. So what urology will do ultimately is depending on कितने पेशेंट आने वाले हैं.
Yes.
ठीक है ना. तो looking at the lifestyle of people, looking at adulteration of food,
pollution है,
pollution. So technological advances in diagnosis, तो diagnosis तो बढ़ने वाले हैं. यूरोलॉजी के नहीं, हर एक के बढ़ रहे हैं, बट यूरोलॉजी के बढ़ने वाले हैं. तो इन दोज केसेस आई पर्सनली फील कि यूरोलॉजी इज नॉट अ ब्रांच विच इज गोइंग टू गिव अवे और डाई इन decades to come.
Okay.
Because patients are going to be there, and then when there are patients, demand is there. Supply is always going to
Fantastic,
be increased. Yes.
fantastic. So any branch, I think people who are going to select, they can think about कि उनका जो target market है वो आगे बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं बढ़ रहा है. That will define the future of that branch. Very good insight, right?
And exactly. And other thing which I like saying is, suppose कि आज मैं urologist बन रहा हूँ, urologist मैं बन के बाहर निकल रहा हूँ. I am coming from a modest background. Okay. So, will I be able to practice on my own, or have I to surrender my freedom? Maybe that is a wrong word. Or may I have to join someone or some corporate to start my practice initially also. So that is a big thing which urologists should think. People should think.
Correct. And it is not a wrong word, sir. I just want to freedom. I will talk about working alone or working in a corporate. That is also a very good important question.
So as for example, अगर आपने CTVS सर्जरी लिया जो मेरे बॉस ने लिया है, ठीक है ना. CTVS surgeons, it's very difficult for CTVS surgeon to start their own setup. You need
bigger equipment,
you
bigger
need
place.
lot of investment.
Investment is too high. So most of the CTVS surgeons have to join someone or a corporate. So in that way, see, it's different scenario when you are joining someone and you are practicing on your own. So
Correct.
there are ifs and buts, but always you are at a gaining side when you are doing your own things, right?
Yeah.
So in that way, I think that urology is a good branch.
Yeah. That means even cardio surgery इतने difficult और toppers को मिलती है, तब भी it is we can have a trade off. कि जरूरी नहीं है कि वो जो नंबर 1 पे है वो अच्छी भी हो. मतलब इन अ लॉन्ग रन अगर आपको फ्रीडम चाहिए, आपको अपना सेटअप खोलना है, मे बी फ्रॉम दैट एंगल इट इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट.
एग्जैक्टली. और आपको ये भी सोचना है कि हाउ मच dependent you will be on other specialties or other branches to run your own setup. For example, cardiothoracic surgeon है, तो they'll require a full-time CCU, cardiac care unit, an intensivist. They cannot perform the surgery and at the same time go and see the patient for ICU. So they're heavily dependent on these guys.
It is a team.
It is a teamwork.
It's a teamwork.
And urology में अगर आप देखा तो you can manage it alone. There are other branches also, but majority branches जैसे onco है, onco में भी you need some, if you do good surgeries you need a good teamwork.
Yeah.
But I think in that way, urology, plastic surgery, pediatric surgery, they are branches in which you can perform independently.
Very nice. Great.
How was your training and how did you plan to go to fellowship and things like
Yes. So, 2 parts of my training I'll talk about. First is that once I become an MBBS, I talked few days earlier also, as boss knows. But MBBS, who is an MBBS? MBBS is a bunch of, is a person who is very well read, he is very well knowledgeable with zero skills. So your foundation is laid in MS. If you get good seniors, if you get good teachers, then that is the base. So one thing I request to everyone who's listening, maybe medical students especially,
Correct.
who are thinking of pursuing a surgical degree, that don't take your MS degree as lightly. I mean, because that is the degree which is going to shape your life. Don't think that you pass MS and then start do
फिर हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे.
नहीं
नहीं, basics
अच्छे
of-
MCH में चले जाओ
हाँ.
और आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे.
हाँ.
अगर आपको आई फाइंड स्टूडेंट्स एंड नॉट नेम देम, जो मेरे अंडर में स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, दे स्टिल आर लैकिंग इन बेसिक सर्जिकल ट्रेनिंग.
ट्रेनिंग नहीं है, वो स्किल
Training
डेवलप
नहीं
नहीं
है.
कर रहे हैं, खाली डिग्री.
सबको ऐसा लग रहा है
डिग्री
कि-
पे फोकस हो रहा
So
है.
क्या है, humans, I mean, our education system is such that till we are studying, we are only studying.
हाँ.
After we finish the study
True,
and come
true.
into market,
True.
then we are
Then
lost.
we are working and we are not studying.
Exactly.
No, true. Even we get a lot of queries कि सर आपकी academy community कब ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए. तो हम बोलते हैं जितना जल्दी आप MBBS हो तभी करो. नहीं सर, अभी तो मैं MBBS हूँ, अभी तो MS करूंगा, MD करूंगा, उसके बाद अपना क्लिनिक खोलूंगा, तब ज्वाइन करूंगा. दैट हम बोलते हैं कि तब तो आपको एक्ट करने का है, लर्निंग का पार्ट तो आप पहले ही करोगे. तो पीपल आर हैव दिस माइंडसेट कि मैं पहले डिग्री कर लेता हूँ, फिर मैं स्किल डेवलप करूंगा, फिर मार्केट में जाऊंगा तो मैं थोड़ा परफॉर्म
एक
करूंगा.
perform करने का
एक
time
और
आता
चीज
है.
के लिए हम लोग कभी प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं होते हैं, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट.
फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट नहीं.
जीरो. अब डॉक्टर छोड़ लो, कोई भी ब्रांच ले लो, दे आर नॉट फाइनेंशियली प्रिपेयर्ड. दे कम आउट ऑफ इट एंड
Yes.
they are nowhere.
Nowhere.
They are standing here and there's a bunch of people, I mean,
Already in the
कुछ
race.
नहीं कर रहे हैं, what to do now.
Ah.
They are confused.
Yes.
So that is the way.
Yeah.
And basically super speciality, this I talked about MS. Super speciality is always to strengthen your academic skill. Because what I feel is a surgeon is not a surgeon, he is a surgeon, a person with good surgical skills and good discipline and academics. He is a surgeon.
Correct.
It's not a person who is MS is a surgeon or an MCH is a surgeon. This is what I
इट्स
feel.
मोर ऑफ स्किल बेस्ड. भाई आपको परफॉर्म करना है.
हाँ.
एवरी थिएटर जो आप ओटी में जाते हो, इट इज अ परफॉर्मेंस.
सो क्या रहता है सर, जैसे मैं क्यों एकेडमिक्स को स्ट्रेस कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जैसे आज मैंने कोई सर्जरी की है, आई शुड हैव द माइंडसेट ऑफ एनालाइजिंग माई ओन टेक्निक, माई ओन कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ माई ओन पर्सन. सो एज यू टेक मी, द वे आई वॉज डूइंग सर्जरी 10 years बैक, आई एम डूइंग इट डिफरेंटली. मैं TURP पहले करता था, आई यूज टू पुट बैकवर्ड स्ट्रोक्स. नाउ over a period of time I realized that when I come near the sphincter, I should put forward strokes so that I don't go into the sphincter. I mean, this you analyze your own technique and then you learn.
Yes,
It's not a static process. Once you are MCH, that doesn't mean that you have been given license. So I always feel that you should upgrade yourself, and
Keep
academics
upgrading.
is the one of the thing in which keeps you updated.
So Keval, tell me, if a young surgeon is coming out from his MCH practice, then he should join a hospital for a job, train himself more and skill, or he should venture into directive private practice?
Excellent. So, see, even when I passed, you passed, we had the same dilemma in mind. What to do? जैसे हम जब बाहर निकलते हैं ना, I already told that you come out and then you see that you are nowhere.
You're blank.
I mean, you are MCH, but you are blank. So in that way, what I did, I just started partnership with someone. So that is something which I did new, which the other peoples don't do. So people may start finding for a job. So one option is, there are few options. First one is you go to a corporate or a hospital who hires your specialty.
So one is job.
One is job.
Okay.
Second one is that you join someone. Okay, that may be job, but there are prospectus of becoming gaining partnership with him.
also okay.
So I did was I directly started partnership. For
So
3 months we had an agreement.
But experience था, वो already
Experience
established थे.
बंदा है.
अच्छा,
उसके साथ
established.
मैं ज्वाइन किया. Then we made a deal. Okay, he said that I don't know what you
is
are
your
going to do.
problem? हाँ.
What you are going to do. Then I proposed him. हम एक काम करते हैं, 3 महीना देखते हैं.
Correct.
3 महीना में आप देखो मैं कितना जनरेट कर रहा हूँ. I mean patience and work and maybe associated finances. And then we decide what percentage we should do. So I started in that way. I started with a person and I joined him as a assistant for 3 months.
Very
and then
important.
3 months we saw what was our equations, and then finally we decided on a figure and then pursued it. So that is the second way.
ठीक है.
All depends on how well you are trained. I mean, there are some institutes जहाँ से बंदे कुछ ज़्यादा confident होके नहीं निकलते. So they don't have an option, but they have to join to some government setups as well.
Okay. Trust and government.
Government to enhance their skills.
Skills.
I mean, because if you're not going to perform in private, no one is going to come to you. So to enhance your skills, you should go to a place which has bulk of work, and then you can also
Learn in the
freshen up
process.
your skills. Yes, that's it. Those 3 ways of doing after you pass.
So tell me, this is a very unique question, but we ask everybody, what is the prospect or what is the take home when you are 2 years into practice and 5 years into practice?
Okay. So I feel that when a person passes 2 साल के बाद he starts realizing
Yeah.
what is the market.
Exactly.
What is it? 2 साल बाद वो रियलाइज करना शुरू करता है कि अब मैं कहाँ हूँ, क्या हूँ, हाउ थिंग्स रन. भाई पेशेंट कैसे आते हैं, हॉस्पिटल करना है नहीं करना है, फाइनेंसेस कितने मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ेंगे और मुझे क्या करना है.
ये 2 साल के बाद ही हम लोग आते हैं.
हाँ, 2 साल
2
के
साल के
बाद
बाद ही लोग हम लोग के एकेडमी में आते
आते
हैं.
हैं.
हम चाहते हैं कि एमबीबीएस से ही आ जाओ, क्योंकि बिकॉज देन यू वांट टू लर्न, लेकिन वो लोग नहीं आते हैं.
तो
2 साल के मार्केट के बाद व्हेन दे
आते हैं.
सी कि अरे यार ये तो हमको कुछ आता ही नहीं है, मार्केट में तो
Exactly.
कुछ और चल रहा है,
Exactly.
देन दे रियलाइज की इंपॉर्टेंस.
Exactly, how market runs, that is very important to run, because as I always told that I always feel that this is lack in our curriculum.
हाँ.
And I think we should encourage people to do this so that when they come out they don't have to waste 2 years.
Doctors have to be market ready.
Yes, they don't think उनको 2 साल बिगाड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. 3 साल बाद 5 साल बाद काफ़ी उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस बढ़ जाते हैं, and I feel that they are ready for market now. But still I feel as early the better, always.
So, Keval, tell me, as a fresh pass out, you are nowhere, you're understanding the market, and you are focusing on the things to learn. For a new urologist who has just passed out, what should he think about in the financial terms?
Okay.
At the end of 2 years, how much he can make, and at 5 years, what he can make?
I can answer this based on the geographical locations. I mean, very important thing.
Yeah.
Very important thing.
एक अच्छा पैरामीटर है ही है कि आप टायर 1 सिटी में हो, मेट्रो में हो, तो एक डिफरेंट.
So that depends on that.
Yeah,
ठीक है
yeah,
ना?
correct.
I cannot tell about the cities which I'm not practicing in at present. That also depends on the location you are based. I mean, जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कई states हैं, जैसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आप ले लो, तो ये रॉन्ग कंसेप्शन है कि आप कम अर्न करोगे. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आप ज़्यादा अर्न करोगे.
Okay.
कंपटीशन नहीं है उधर.
हाँ.
आप समझो, देयर इज नो कंपटीशन, देयर इज नो वन टू ईट अप. आप एक स्पेशलिस्ट लेके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में चले गए हो, पीपल वहां से जा रहे दिल्ली,
हाँ.
ठीक है ना, और आप जाके बैठ गए, तो यू आर गोइंग टू अर्न लाइक एनीथिंग.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना. सो दैट इज इट. सो देयर आर वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स विच विल डिपेंड, विच विल
डिसाइड द अर्निंग वाला.
exactly decide the earning part. ठीक है ना. But on an average what I feel is that any good super specialist, I mean I am not sure whether I should quote this figure or
नहीं,
not,
आप- you
but
can tell-
शायद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कोई भी सुपर स्पेशलिटी वाला स्टार्टिंग में 2.5 से 3 लाख अर्न कर लेगा.
Per month.
ठीक है,
पर मंथ
As-
3
per
लाख
month.
रुपए अपना
2.5 से 3, 2.5 से 3. आई मीन वो डिपेंड करता है, कोई कॉर्पोरेट में चले गए फिर भी होगा.
हाँ.
देन नीड है, ये क्या होता है, मार्केट नीड है.
Correct,
ठीक है ना. अगर
correct.
बहुत 10 लोग जाइडस में यूरोलॉजिस्ट है, 11वां गया, उसको कोई 2.5 नहीं देने वाला है ना, उसको तो फिर 1 लाख ही मिलेगा. वो है. और सेकंड थिंग इज एज ही ग्रोस दैट हैज टू इंक्रीज. हाउ मच इट विल इंक्रीज, मे बी देयर इज नो लिमिट फॉर दैट.
मतलब 5 साल में अगर एक्सपीरियंस हो गया
5-7.
तो 5 to 7 lakhs
Yes,
रुपए
yes, yes.
इजीली इट कैन बी मेड.
If he's a good fellow, I mean, see, that depends. If he's working, that may not happen. क्योंकि
तो
you
मतलब
know corporate culture. 2.5 से आप 2 साल में कितना होगा? कितना हो जाएगा?
15-20% ही बढ़ाएंगे.
Exactly. So that not to say, but it may be he may reach around 3.5.
ओके. और अपना
Depends.
सेटअप होगा तो ग्रो कर सकते
अपना
हैं.
setup
अपना
है.
सेटअप पे ग्रो करेगा, या इसको गुड
Partnership में
ग्रुप मिल गया.
ग्रुप मिल गया. करेक्ट.
छोटे सिटीज में है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ टायर 1 सिटीज में,
Tier 1
टायर छोटे सिटीज बोल रहा
हाँ,
हूँ.
मेट्रो में तो आप उसका अप्रिशिएट कर लो 2 times.
एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल प्लेस इन गुजरात. सो व्हेन आई पास्ड इन द होल डिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर वाज ओनली 1 यूरोलॉजिस्ट.
ओके.
If I would have sit there, I mean started my practice in that area when I passed, then my earning would have been different, because the set of skills I already had from because of like blessings of my seniors, I already had the set of skills to start my own practice. If I have started that in that area, I would have flourished like anything. But then it's life, you know.
Yeah.
You have to balance things.
करेक्ट.
I mean, family, facilities for family, and then
द अर्निंग पोटेंशियल, ऑफ कोर्स.
so that's.
तो सर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट आता है, सिंस यू हैव योर ओन सेटअप, राइट? यू हैव
Yes.
योर ओन सेटअप एंड यू रन इट एफिशिएंटली और आपने बहुत सारे अभी तो आप यू हैव बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, आप तो रियल डॉक्टरप्रेन्योर हो.
Thanks.
सो इन योर एक्सपीरियंस लाइक जब हम एक सेटअप बना रहे हैं, स्पेशली यूरोलॉजिस्ट अगर एक सेटअप बनाता है, सो व्हाट हैज़ बीन योर लाइक इन्वेस्टमेंट इनिशियली एंड हाउ फास्ट यू गॉट द पे बैक? व्हाट इज योर पे बैक पीरियड? जैसे आपने 10 लाख रुपए दिया, 2 साल में हो गया, 3 साल में हो गया, सो व्हाट वाज दैट एंड देन व्हाट वाज द लर्निंग ऑफ दिस एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी?
Exactly. So I'll answer this in two parts. First of all, I'll describe what happened to me. Then looking at the present scenario, I'll tell what people should do.
Correct.
This would be my plan. So first, what I did was when I started practice, it was way back in 2012. So inflation and the market rates were very
manageable.
disproportionate as compared to today.
ओके.
ठीक है, बहुत कम था, पर उस टाइम के लिए तो ज़्यादा ही था. ठीक है ना. So my initial investment for starting my own setup was around 2.5 to 3 CR.
2.5 and that the setup was bought by you or it was a rented apartment?
No, I bought.
You
I bought it
so
at that time.
That amount to 3 CR is including the purchase of the site.
Yes. And that was a good locality. And but it was an old building, not a new building. And it was maybe 5 to 6 year old construction.
Okay.
And around 3,000 square feet of area.
Okay. So if
Carpet.
if we make that thing, let's say जो हम लोग अपनी community में भी बोलते हैं, अगर हम वो इन्वेस्टमेंट जो हम परचेज कर रहे हैं, अगर इफ आई टेक अ 5 year लीज अगर मुझे मिल जाता है, तो वो जो 3 CR वो घट के पूरा अमाउंट आधा जाएगा.
अगर मैं उस टाइम पे जगह नहीं लेता, then I think I would have done it in one CR में. उस टाइम पे सब हो जाता. सब हो जाता उस टाइम पे.
हाँ.
ठीक है, 1 CR में.
हाँ, 10 साल.
I think that included my furniture also.
हाँ, हॉस्पिटल फर्नीचर, इक्विपमेंट एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. सो बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट. सो ये जो स्टार्ट करने में जो फ्रिक्शन होता है, that can be reduced if you get a good apartment or good place in for a rented for a longer lease, 5 years, 10 years. अगर आपको लीज
मिल जाता है तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है
स्टार्टिंग के लिए, स्पेशली स्टार्टिंग फेज. ना आप 10 साल काम कर लियो, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू गो फॉर योर ओन प्लेस.
अब इसमें ऐसा है कि ये तो था मेरा. Now I'll talk what I feel people should do.
Yeah, right. So what was your payback period?
Okay. So all those things, it took me around maybe 6-7 years.
6-7 years to get it neutralized.
Yes. See, as a doctors, what is the difference between doctor and MBA guy? Finance. Suppose I am starting my practice, and then I'm also doing surgeries at other places. So I have one PAN card, and I'm generating all income in that PAN card. And then repaying my loans for my setup. So that is not a good finance guy will do.
Correct.
मैं अपना खुद का हॉस्पिटल स्टार्ट किया है, उसमें से मैं कितना अर्न करके कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज द रियल वैल्यू ऑफ दैट हॉस्पिटल.
करेक्ट.
तो वो देखने में जाए तो इतना अमाउंट लग गया, इतना टाइम लग गया, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर समवन टू सीट एट अ प्लेस, स्पेशली फॉर सुपर स्पेशलिटीज नाउअडेज, टू सीट एट अ प्लेस एंड अर्न. I mean, the way it used to happen many years back. So in that way, if you think, तो इतना टाइम.
Average 5 years मान के चले.
5 साल.
5 साल तो आराम से बिल्कुल ना.
आराम से हो जाएगा. 5 साल शायद ज्यादा भी हो जाए, अगर if you are lucky enough, कम भी हो जाए मतलब.
हाँ. और अभी उसको after 5 years you have been running for last 15 years I think.
Yes, actually लोन तो मेरा 10 years 20 years का था.
हाँ, बट आपने रीपे कर दिया ना.
रीपे मैंने 5 साल 6 साल में कर दिया.
दैट इज अ गुड
एग्जैक्टली. वो रीपे कर दिया मैंने.
पीपल अफ्रेड ऑफ टेकिंग लोन्स. वो सोचते हैं ईएमआई बर्डन बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है. वी टेल दैट कि यू टेक लोन, kick start your journey and start repaying as soon as you get money. So whatever you are earning, repay it.
100% I'll suggest that. I mean, so मैं जो बोल रहा था कि next part what people should do now. So I'm not in favor of renting a property, and I never was. So I never done such a thing in my life for any of my ventures. ठीक है ना, be it this or be it that.
Correct.
We bought both the things. So because you know what, ultimately there are so much Indian market is so volatile. I mean, the situations keep on changing every year.
Yes.
Maybe every quarterly, every 2 yearly, 3 yearly. Some people or the landlord may feel that अब मुझे इसको buy करना, I'm getting good returns, and then he may ask you to vacate the place.
हाँ
Even if you are doing good.
नहीं, but rent is an option only for those people
Not
who do not have much amount of money. और वो अपना सपना ऑफ ओपनिंग, ड्रीम ऑफ ओपनिंग देयर ओन क्लिनिक इज खाली वो दबा के इसलिए बैठे हैं क्योंकि उनके पास बिग अमाउंट या बैकअप नहीं है, डीप
So
पॉकेट्स।
for those guys, my advice, may not be right.
नहीं आपका
राइट है ना, मेरा व्यू पॉइंट है कि आपको देखो लोन आपके रिटर्न्स पे बहुत इजीली मिलता है, एंड एज अ डॉक्टर आई गारंटी दे आर गोइंग टू हैव गुड रिटर्न्स.
यस
व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज 2 to 3 years ऑफ गुड रिटर्न्स. ठीक है ना, तो 2-3 साल बाद करो, खुद का करो. ठीक है ना, रेंटेड पे मैं बहुत बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ,
ओके,
बट दिस इज माय पर्सनल.
या एवरीवन हैज हिज ओन.
यस, दिस इज
और
माय पर्सनल.
मेजरली डॉक्टर्स तो मेरे ख्याल से 98% लोग खरीदते ही हैं.
हाँ.
और ये तो
ना बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स मैंने देखे हैं,
आप स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
बहुत सारे लोग
Yeah,
हैं, they
people have
work in
started.
that way. People have started that way.
Hmm.
They are not also wrong in their way, because see, they always feel कि भाई we are, I mean, this is not my final destination. Someone
हाँ.
will think that. जैसे मैं when I passed, I thought that भाई ये है नारायणपुरा or XYZ, and this is the place I'm going to work for at least next 20 years or 30 years maybe, or till I'm practicing. So some people may not think. Some people are very progressive, you know. They might think भाई अभी ये करके 5 साल बाद मेरी वाइफ, जैसे बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स यहाँ पे यूरोलॉजिस्ट होंगे, लेट मैरिजेस इज वेरी कॉमन, तो बहुत सारे होंगे जिनकी वाइफ अभी भी पढ़ रहे हैं, छोटे हैं, उन 2 साल निकालने उनको. ठीक है ना, बट खुद का प्रैक्टिस करना है तो रेंट इज अ गुड प्लेस फॉर देम, बट दे आर नॉट श्योर वेयर दे आर गोइंग टू सेटल. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट.
So one of the common question is about the AI in healthcare. बहुत
Yes.
काफी AI तो हर फील्ड को टच कर रहा है. When we are discussing about urology, so where do you see AI coming into urology? How do you see future? And बहुत से डॉक्टर डरते भी हैं कि मेडिकल फील्ड में ज़्यादा AI होगा तो हमारा यूसेज कम हो जाएगा. So how do you see, one is using AI in urologists, and second, what is the fear? Is it the fear of urologists is true that बहुत ज़्यादा का रोबोटिक और AI मिलकर डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत ही ना हो शायद फ्यूचर में? क्या ऐसा सिनेरियो डेवलप हो सकता है?
Yes. So AI, I think that I mean, if you look at the history and what over generations has happened, every time any new thing has come, as for example, you take a computer, people are always frightened of what is happening.
Yes.
ठीक है ना? So in that way, I think this is a big leap into technology. Maybe ले लो या जो भी ले लो, but it's a big leap. And you know what? Throughout these changes, I always seen that, you know, you cannot escape this.
Correct. You have to embrace.
So you cannot escape this change. You cannot ignore this change. You have to accept it. You have to embrace it. ठीक है. अब AI will replace it human. तो I think I got एक बार I had a good discussion on AI with few of the people who are very, like, you know, very much into Microsoft AI and Google AI and all those things. So what is AI actually? It is not a computer who is thinking. A computer who is generating some ideas from anything which has been stored into it. And it has been trained to bring that. I mean, see, as for example, you are getting your X-ray done. ठीक है ना? X-ray आप देखा, a doctor is seeing, what are the chances that he might be wrong? What are the chances?
Depending experience.
Exactly. You take an experienced doctor. Even then, 1 in human error is always there, you know, 1 in 10.
1 in 10, yeah.
Yeah, that's a human error. Suppose the same type of X-rays, 1,000 pictures, we fit into a computer, ठीक है ना? And then ask a computer to predict where the actual disease is. So the accuracy may be 1 in 5, you know. He may be wrong, the computer may be wrong even in 1 in 5 cases, but it is better than the human. So does that mean that radiologist will lose his job now? No. See, AI is not going to develop a technique of doing the X-ray. It has only, maybe it has only 1,000 years after that. I don't know what is going to happen, but it has only capability of reading the X-ray,
analyzing the data.
That's it. Does it have an idea of how to perform an X-ray? Does it have an idea of in which position to perform the X-ray? Does it have an idea that which type of X-ray will be required in this patient? Number one. So in that way, humans should not fear that AI will replace them. Number two, data. I mean, you train an AI, and you as we know that lots and lots of malpractices are going everywhere. So suppose someone generates an AI algorithm for reading an X-ray based on 100 X-rays. Someone may generate it on 1,000 X-rays. So and someone may generate based on 10,000 X-rays. So which one would be better? It will be the one with 10,000 X-rays.
10,000 X-rays.
So what is the use of AI? Ultimately, AI is only speaking what we are entering. It is analyzing the only data which we are entering. Suppose a new disease comes up. So I know there are 10 types of stones which can occur in urology. Can an 11 type of stone never occur in him?
नहीं सर.
अब किसको पता है?
हाँ.
I mean, ये तो देखो, बीमारी तो रोज बदल रही है. रोज बदल रही है. तो AI को सिखाएगा कौन कि भाई ये नए टाइप का एक्सरे है, ये ढूंढो. तो क्या डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी?
Maybe nature of job will change. मुझे लगता है कि nature of job will change, but
doctors will use more and more of
more
AI.
and more AI.
And the one who is using AI will perform better than one who is not using AI.
Correct.
We can say that, okay, that's very fair, because if I'm calculating manually, and if I'm calculating with a computer, obviously the one who is calculating with the computer is fast.
Correct.
And that is one big thing. जैसे so did the invention of calculators or computers made the one accountants extinct?
नहीं, अब
नहीं.
तो और भी काम है उनके
They are
पास.
using
Smart
the-
हो गए, accountants और smart हो गए.
वो use करने लगे.
Exactly.
हाँ.
So that is the way. AI is never.
So AI is never going to replace doctors, but the people who are not learning or upgrading to the AI, those doctors may get replaced.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And even robotic. You talked about robotics.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना? Robotic technology, robotic is coming into anything.
Hmm.
But ultimately, through this August audience, I would again like to enlighten. Robot never performs a surgery. He only takes commands
Commands and instruction, and then
which are very precise and up to the mark as given by the doctor. So ultimately, it is decreasing fatigue of doctor. It is increasing the precision to perform. Someone may have tremors and still he wants to perform. He can sit on a robot. This is for someone who is having tremors, who can sit on robot and perform surgery without having tremors.
Absolutely correct. So
So-
enhancement हो गया.
Exactly. So again, AI is bringing enhancement. It will never replace.
Awesome.
This is what I feel.
Great. So good take on AI. If you want to give an advice, what is the 3 books that you have read which you want every young doctors to read or any other doctor to read? Because these 3 books have changed your perspective, your life.
Okay. So if you're talking about medical books,
Any book, anything that includes
So let
from
me confess.
spiritual book to any which has impacted you.
yes. So there's a difficult question for me, and I'm not the right one to answer because I don't read books. So as I told that my inclination was more doing performing things rather than reading and
the books
implementing.
and
So
you are more doer.
Exactly
Yeah.
than a reader. So मैंने ना बहुत कम बुक्स पढ़ी है मेरी लाइफ में. एक फिर भी I remember 1 or 2 books. First book which I has brought a significant change in me recently is Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Okay.
I mean, I don't know how this young audience may be liking it or not, but Bhagavad Gita is the book which everyone should read. And it has changed my way of living, my perspective of life, my relations with my family, my wife, my seniors, my behavior with people. Everything has changed when I started reading that book, and I read it 2-3 times. The only book which I've read. ठीक है? Okay. One other book which I like to mention is Monk
The Monk.
Who Sold His Ferrari.
Robin Sharma.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is a book again which had made some impact on my life. Patchy reading of a book in which I don't remember the exact title, but when a father gives advice to his son that you don't do a job. I don't remember that book. I'm forgetting that name.
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Huh?
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Rich Dad Poor Dad. Yes.
Okay, Rich
So Rich Dad Poor Dad is the book.
Okay.
I have read it patchy
Okay.
because maybe my wife was reading it.
Financially,
Yes.
great.
So my
For the
wife was
finance
reading it and I
advice.
just got it.
Nice, sir. Any three movie or podcast that you have seen and it has impacted you as a doctor?
Okay. So I always like inspirational movies.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? I'm faintly I remember जो जीता वही सिकंदर. ठीक है? So I like those kind of movies which like bring some sort of inspiration in me. This is what I feel. Even I listen to things which bring some sort of inspiration to me. Okay, for entertainment there are hundreds of movies which I book, but I don't ponder upon.
Recently आपने कोई मूवी देखी हो? Last?
अभी मैंने कल रेड 2 देखी एक. So in that way, ठीक है, entertainment के लिए तो ठीक है,
हाँ.
but I feel that inspirational movies is the one which encourages me.
Did you watch Kantara 2?
Not.
Okay.
Yet not.
When you are not doing surgeries, what are you doing?
Yes.
What is your
that's a
favorite
good
pastime?
question. Yes. So one thing again which I'd like to advise people through your medium is that I have made few mistakes in my life. ठीक है ना? So when I was in MBBS, जैसे as people know, you just do nothing. You keep on reading. I had inclination to sports, few sports. In 10th I had football, and when I passed 10th, 11th, 12th, since then I have cricket.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? तो I used to play cricket. I used to play cricket even in my MBBS, just outside my hostel
Hostels, हाँ.
with my team. In free time, apart from cricket, like my best free time was always to, sometimes I also played carom. So playing is my hobby. Playing cricket or playing other game, table tennis is my best pastime. This is what I feel. But after I passed, which again I feel that I have invested so much into my own, profession.
या प्रोफेशन वो कॉमन
Business
ही
जो
है
भी
सब
मान
लोगों
लो,
का
हाँ.
कि प्रोफेशन में
नहीं, बट मैं तो
फॉरगेट.
डॉक्टर्स तो कुछ ज्यादा ही एंग्रॉस हो जाता
हाँ,
है. So मैं वो I was so engrossed I didn't get time for anything. Otherwise, then I realized this after 10 years of my practice. And what am I doing? What am I doing? I am just,
You were into a tunnel for 10 years and suddenly you came out and देखा कि पूरी दुनिया बदल गई.
exactly. 10 साल बाद all of a sudden I realized कि मैं सुबह से उठ रहा हूँ, शाम तक सिर्फ सर्जरी कर रहा हूँ, या फिर पेशेंट देख रहा हूँ, या इधर जा रहा हूँ, उधर जा रहा हूँ, मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ. But then, life teaches you lessons. So at that time I realized अभी मेरा गाड़ी हो गई, एक बंगला हो गया, ये हो गया, अभी मैं क्या करूँ. Then I started realizing, people may feel that some people are still there who keep on this.
सेम थिंग.
नहीं, from day one.
Day one
से वो लोग सोच रहे अभी मेरे को बहुत ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बहुत नहीं चाहिए. They satisfied people. So second, my hobby is music.
Okay.
Music is the one which so I used to listen lots and lots of music, and I also have a गाने का भी मुझे थोड़ा सा शौक है.
Very nice.
But these two are my favorite time passes. This is what I feel.
Okay, coming to your branch,
Yes.
urology is specific. Are there super specialty in that now?
Yes. So I wanted to answer this when Monga sir asked that, what will be urology in next 25 years, and now you came up with this question. So thanks. I feel जैसे हमने AI के लिए बात की ना, everything is evolving. As we say, change is the only thing which is constant.
Correct.
You have to change with times.
Correct.
पहले के ज़माने में लोग MBBS किया करते थे, फिर लोग MD MS किया करते थे, फिर लोग यूरोलॉजी कर रहे हैं. अब मुझे लग रहा है टाइम आने वाला है, यूरोलॉजी में भी सब स्पेशलाइजेशन आने वाला है, या कार्डियक सर्जरी में भी आने वाला है. पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जरी ले लो.
हाँ, सुपर स्पेशलिटी. सो माइक्रो निश.
एग्जैक्टली. जैसे यूरोलॉजी ले लो, उसमें आएगा यूरो ऑन्कोलॉजी, जैसे मैं परस्यू कर रहा हूँ. दैट आई सॉ दिस 10 years back. When everyone is going to do stone surgeries, the exponential rise in number of urologists is not matching with the exponential rise in incidence of stone. Then what? There are many areas of urology which are still not having much representation. ठीक है ना? So I started my uro-oncology interest in urology days, but I started entertaining it after 1 or 2 years of my practice. I went to US.
Okay.
I did my observership there, came back, joined a reputed institute in the city without any intention of gaining anything. So I am just, for that. And so now after 10 years of that, I feel that is giving me some good returns.
Nice.
So uro-oncology is one thing. जैसे urology is not going to be uro-oncology not going to be only urology as general surgery in coming years. it will be uro-oncologist, it will be andrologist, it will be endourologist, it will be reconstructive urologist, it will be pediatric urologist.
Right.
So that has to bifurcate one day or the other. This is what I feel.
Nice, nice. So the last question in this domain, in your entrepreneur journey, जो आप ये हमने देखा आपने setups भी बनाए हैं, and then you invested or you bought some hospital also. What do you think is 3 major mistakes that you have made in this whole journey?
Yes. So first mistake I'll tell, which I feel it is wrong, just on the basis of what my seniors or my doctors who were successful before me did and I didn't do, was when I started my practice, I didn't sit at a place and develop it. ठीक है ना? Because I was afraid that if I don't get patients, and I didn't have very good background financially, so I thought that if I don't get patients, where will I go? How will I manage my expenses?
Finances, yeah.
Exactly. So I always practiced at places which were not my own,
So you have not
and then gave
developed.
limited time to my hospital.
Understood.
And that is the reason I think that, because मेरे पहले के जो डॉक्टर्स थे वो लोग बोलते थे कि 1000 दिन बैठना है भाई अपने सीट पे हॉस्पिटल पे, तब जाके आपका बिजनेस डेवलप हो गया ना.
Absolutely.
तो मैं वो कभी 1000 दिन दिए ही नहीं मेरे लाइफ में. मेरे को एक मिस्टेक लग रहा है मेरा.
Okay.
सेकंड मिस्टेक मुझे लग रहा है कि अब मिस्टेक है कि वो मेरा नसीब है, आई डोंट नो. मेरे आई डिडंट हैव गुड परसिस्टेंट लॉयल स्टाफ विथ मी. Somewhere or the other, I feel that is my own mistake. I have not tried to retain them, or I just, just because of petty reasons, I have not tried to retain them. Or maybe I was not sitting at my place.
Maybe you are not trained for that. ऐसा तो हमारे यहाँ मेडिकल फील्ड में कोई ऐसा कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं देते ना. पीपल थिंक कि HR मैनेजमेंट तो खुद ही आ जाएगा, डॉक्टर को ऐसे ही आ जाएगा, या किसी भी बिजनेसमैन को.
तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं कभी भी एक अपना खुद का
स्टाफ को एक अच्छे
खुद
से
का स्टाफ डेवलप नहीं कर पाया, मेरा टीम डेवलप नहीं कर पाया. समझो, इन मोर सोफिस्टिकेटेड वर्ड्स,
Yeah.
I couldn't develop my own team,
and the
which
second
is very much required.
Yes.
This is what I feel, and I can say 95% of doctors may not be able to do it. The
Same.
ones who are doing it, they were of old age.
Yes.
And then people at that time didn't have option rather than staying with the same person. That is the reason.
Yes. अभी तो यंग जनरेशन को देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस. तो आपको रिटेन करने के लिए यू नीड टू डेवलप सम सर्टेन थिंग स्किल्स. जो लोग रिटेन, जैसे आप बता रहे हो एग्जांपल, वो लोग हैं जिनकी खुद की पर्सनालिटी ऐसी थी कि लोग अटैच हो गए.
हाँ.
बट what I feel from a management perspective, this is a skill which can be learned. It is
Can
only
be
that
learned.
doctors are not taught about this thing.
It can be learned, or it can be given.
Yeah.
Third mistake which I feel I made, and still I'm making it, is I didn't develop a organizational structure in my hospital. I tried it a number of times, but every time when I go and start looking into it, I feel that this is not worth it. I mean, which I feel I'm wrong still today. Organizational structure मैं अपने यहाँ पे develop नहीं कर पाया, hierarchical structure.
And the two and second and third are interrelated.
Yeah.
Because organized structure नहीं है, इसलिए staff भी train नहीं हो रहा है, retain नहीं हो रहा है.
So everything is interrelated.
हाँ.
Everything is interrelated.
Second and third is
जैसे मैं
interrelated.
बैठता, suppose I sit at my place continuously. I sit and I hire people. Then I can keep a like accountability of them.
Yes.
And then I can generate more from them and then retain them.
Correct.
So ultimately it is the same.
Yes.
These are the three mistakes which I feel I made.
Great, sir. Great insight. Great. So one more question that I want to ask is about the finances, which doctors are always weak in finances.
Yes.
Generate बहुत पैसा generate करते हैं. उसके बाद भी management of finances is always a problem. What have been your 3 main financial mistake in this entrepreneur journey? जो आपने, क्योंकि आपने अपना setup भी किया, you have also purchased something, you also invested in big hospital. So what has been your 3 financial mistakes in this journey?
Okay. If I talk of my journey, I have seen 2 major financial global setbacks. One was demonetization. Second was COVID. ठीक है ना? So I feel, I mean, everyone would be surprised, but I generated my Demat account just 2 years back,
Oh, मतलब अब आपने
This
Demat
is the
account
biggest mistake you see. जब financial 2 global setbacks आए,
back हो चुके हैं.
and I would have been fortunately, like if I would have learned this at that time and I would have entered into the market, like तो I would have not repented my
हाँ, तो
decision.
मतलब
So मैं
stock-
सबसे पहला मिस्टेक मैं ये मानता हूँ.
कि आपने स्टॉक और म्यूचुअल फंड वगैरह में कुछ
कुछ भी नहीं, मैं डीमेट अकाउंट ही अभी खुला है.
अभी किया
ठीक है ना? ठीक है,
एंड
ठीक
इट टेक टाइम, जितना अर्ली द बेटर.
Exactly. It takes time, no? So मेरा एक पहला फाइनेंशियल मिस्टेक है.
ओके.
सेकेंड फाइनेंशियल मिस्टेक मैं इसको समझता हूँ कि जो भी मैं, अब सही है गलत मैं नहीं, मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से बोल रहा हूँ, जो भी मैं लोन लेता हूँ मैं उसको फटाफट रीपे करने का प्लान करता हूँ.
बट दैट इज गुड हैबिट.
Okay, so I feel that if you're taking a loan, and anyways, bank and these are very smart people, you know, to not be fool and like, you know, if you're repaying it and you are paying less amount, or it's not never like that. Initial part of your practice, I mean, if you're taking a loan and paying it in 1 year, then there's no point in taking it, you know, you take someone else's money.
Correct.
But if you're paying in 1 year, then also the bank are smart to take only, you know, 5 to 10% of your principal amount. Interest तो ले ही लेना है, rest तो ले ही लेना है, तो ठीक है ना. तो वो गलती की, अब लोन ले ही लिया, इतना तो भरना ही है, तो टाइम से भर लो. क्या जरूरत है? एक ये चीज है, क्योंकि बैंक तो लोन दे ही रहा है आपके उस पे, ठीक है ना. तो एक दूसरा मिस्टेक मुझे ये मेरा ये लगा कि मैंने ये कर लिया है. तीसरा मिस्टेक मुझे मेरा ये लगा है कि आई मीन ये थोड़ा सब्जेक्टिव है, पर मेरा प्लस पॉइंट है. आई मीन बहुत सारे लोग ये मिस्टेक करते हैं जो मैंने नहीं किया. लोग पहले घर खरीदते हैं, फिर क्लिनिक खरीदते हैं. मैं एडवाइस करूंगा पहले क्लिनिक खरीदो, फिर खरीदो. सो दैट वे, आई मीन पीपल माइट थिंक कि पहले घर लेना है, पहले गाड़ी लेनी है, फिर ये करना है, बट दैट इज अ रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. पीपल शुड गो फर्स्ट, settle the things which will generate good amount
Which
of
is
corpus for
corpus,
them,
yeah.
and then they can spend. So I have seen people who initial part of the practice bought a house, then after 5 years they start feeling that they can buy a bigger house. Then after 5 years they feel this and bigger house. तो प्रैक्टिस वाला तो चीज ही गायब हो गया. भाई मैं हॉस्पिटल ले लूं, हॉस्पिटल लिया तो बोला घर तो वही है.
तो एसेट पे जनरेट करो, फोकस करो. सो
एसेट मतलब जो चीज आपको अर्न
Making a
करके दे रही है
corpus,
ना,
हाँ,
उस पे पहला फोकस करना चाहिए.
awesome.
Revenue generating. Last question I wanted to ask was, what is your message to budding young urologists?
Or doctors or MBBS people who are everyone. Yeah.
So for all the doctors out there, my one big message is that every generation always feel that it is difficult for them to survive. Every generation feels that. When I passed, I felt, अरे यार इतना बड़ा पूल है, इतने डॉक्टर हैं, मैं कैसे सर्वाइव करूंगा. उससे पहले मैं मेरे पहले 25 साल पास के डॉक्टर से मिलने गया, उसको पूछा क्या कर रहे हो सर, अरे यार कैसे सर्वाइव करें, इतना प्रॉब्लम है. अभी मैं 10 साल बाद कोई मुझे आके पूछ रहा है, अरे यार कैसे सर्वाइव. तो पीपल आर ऑलवेज पेसिमिस्टिक. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. इट्स अ वाइड ओशन ऑफ पीपल who needs healthcare professionals.
Right.
So it's never late to jump into this ocean. I mean, there are people who will always discourage you.
Yes.
Only scenario which has changed nowadays is that there are other fields, maybe other professions who are smarter than doctors, and in a smarter way they are earning better and leading a good life as compared to doctors.
Correct.
But that doesn't decrease the importance of being a doctor. Doctor-patient relationship can, maybe, you know, you might be seeing reports of doctors being trashed,
violence and
doctors
all.
being
Yeah.
trashed, or, you know, bad-mouthed by patients. But I always feel that, you know, if you are working with a good intent and in favor of patient, there are negligible chance of happening this to you.
Yes.
ठीक है ना. You give good to the society and society is going to give good to you.
Yeah.
So I'll never encourage people from not becoming doctors. Future is very bright for doctors. Forget AI, forget population, forget saturation, forget competition. ठीक है ना. Doctors are going to stay because still today, कितना भी साइंस एडवांस हो जाए, जितना भी वर्ल्ड एडवांस हो जाए, लोगों की पहली नहीं तो सेकंड नहीं तो थर्ड प्रायोरिटी हेल्थ रहने वाली है और इटर्निटी तक रहेगी.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना.
Yes.
लोग ने सोच लिया अभी अगर मैं आई विल बाय हेलीकॉप्टर, आई विल बाय एरोप्लेन, स्टिल एक कफ हुआ, देन दैट ही नीड्स समवन
Yeah.
to handle that.
Yes.
So doctors are never going to lose importance.
Even सर कोई मशीन भी आती है और कुछ डायग्नोसिस करती भी है which is life threatening, तो क्या मैं मशीन की बात मान लूंगा?
कोई नहीं मानेगा.
मैं तो
कोई
फिर
नहीं
भी
मानेगा।
जाऊंगा डॉक्टर के पास कि भाई वो ह्यूमन टच इंपॉर्टेंट है.
कितना भी हो जाए, खाली डॉक्टर्स को मैं ये एडवाइस करूंगा, बिकॉज देयर इज लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ नेगेटिविटी नाउअडेज
हाँ.
regarding टेकिंग अप दिस मेडिसिन, मेडिकल
Yes,
प्रोफेशन. सो
yes.
दैट्स नॉट देयर. इवन I always encourage people, you come into it, but only if you are ready to practice ethically. ठीक है ना, and give your 100% without looking at the financial part, because I mean, again, this is spiritual talk.
मतलब
Monga
कि-
sir will better understand. गीता सार
गीता
है
से आ गया.
कि आप कर्म करोगे तो उसका फल मिलने वाला है.
हाँ.
आप फल के लिए कर्म करोगे तो नहीं मिलने वाला है.
So you only have control on your action.
Yes.
Very well.
Not
You
on the
just,
results.
if you think of money and then become a doctor, you will never succeed.
Correct.
You think about giving good to the society, practicing better, doing good surgery, improving your skills, making your results good, and money is going to follow. People are ready to give money.
Name and fame will follow.
People are ready to give you name and fame, but you should be working ethically towards what God has made you do.
Right.
Great.
This is what I feel.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
you, sir.
so much.